Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and I do beauty and lifestyle videos here on my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this makeup look right here. I am super excited because this makeup look took less than 10 minutes and I honestly think I nailed it. I honestly feel like it's so cute. It's pretty subtle. I kept my eyebrows looking pretty natural. I kept a light eye. I added a lash just, to kind of give it that extra, and then I just added a bold lip, and I honestly fell in love with this look. I feel like I'm going to be doing it a lot in the summer, so yeah, I really like it. If you guys want to see how I did this, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, oh my god, my voice. So I'm just going to show you guys like a simple routine because this is like, I don't know if I'm going to say 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Do 10 minutes just to kind of give me some wiggle room, But this is just my normal routine that I do every single day. It's super fast, super easy, and really pretty to achieve. So let's just kind of keep it moving. So I'm going to brush these up. I always do that. Put some brow gel and then brush them up. Why do I do that first? I don't know. I know a lot of people don't do this. So if you don't want to, don't. Next, I'm going to grab some concealer. I always do this. Doesn't matter if I am doing a natural look or not. I always conceal my brows. Why? Because I just want them to look snatched. So do that. Now we're just going to buff that concealer in really quick. Pretty simple. Do the same thing on this eye. And then good to go. I'm going to go in with some moisturizer, and this is the Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer. I really like this one. It makes my skin very soft. I know a lot of people don't like this one because it says it smells like SPF. Like sunscreen. They don't like that smell. So a lot of people don't like it because of that. If you are not okay with that smell, then you might not like this. I don't really mind it, and the way that it leaves my skin, I don't care. And then yeah, I apply some mist anyway, so that kind of smell goes away. But yeah, I just want to give you a little shout out on this one. Next, I'm going to go in with my foundation. Okay guys, so you're probably wondering, Jessica, what about primer? Well, I don't use it. I only use it when I feel like I need it. So if I feel like my pores are kind of huge, I will use a pore minimizing primer. If I feel like I need to control the oil, I will apply a mattifying primer. Or if I feel like I just need, because sometimes you just look dull, I will apply a primer that, gives me that hydration and glowiness. So just, like a glowy primer or like a hydrating primer. So depending on what I need, I will use that primer. If I'm not feeling oily, I'm not going to use an oil-free primer. Like, why am I doing that? Like, that's a waste. But since I did apply this oil-free moisture, I'm not applying a primer because I'm just trying to not make myself look oily. I feel pretty hydrated. I feel pretty good with my skin right now, so I don't really need anything else. Cool. Next, I'm applying the Age Rewind by Maybelline. I really like this. It kind of just makes me look younger. I want to look like I'm 12. And I really like this because it blends out really nicely. It doesn't make me feel cakey, but it covers. For how much it covers, I would have thought that it would have left me looking cakey or just very matte, but it doesn't. So I really like that. You see? And then I did take that on the tops of my lids just to kind of prime them. Cool. So for everyday makeup, I don't bake, I don't do that type of stuff. So I'll just take a little bit of setting powder, and this is the Fit Me Loose setting powder in the shade, what is this? Light medium. And then I would just take some, tap a little bit of the excess, and just start powdering my face lightly. I don't take too much product. I don't want to look too matte. I just want my face to be set because, like I said, I'm oily and I need this to last the whole day. So I'm just going to set my face lightly. I do focus this a lot on the nose just because that's where my makeup starts to break apart. So for bronzer, I'm just going to use the Morphe AL Lo-Fi Shimmer and Contour Palette. And I'm going to go in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill O2 brush. And then I put a little bit on my nose just to bring some of that warmth back into, you know, the middle of my skin. Alrighty. Next, I'm just going to take this little fluffy brush, and this is the Jaclyn Hill 31 brush by Morphe, and I'm just going to use the bronzing palette, guys. So it's an easy, fast makeup tutorial. You don't really have time to look at what palette you want to use. Just use your bronzer. And you just go in with the bronzer, and you see it just kind of gives your eyes some dimension. And it doesn't make your eyes look too flat, you know? So I just go ahead and use the bronzer and just bronze my eyes. You could even go in with this darker shade, and this is in the shade Enemy, and just give your eyes a little bit more dimension on the outer crease. And that looks cute too, you see? Then with my fingers, I'm just gonna go in with this little yellow highlight shade. I don't really like this as a highlight, but I do like it as an eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna go in and apply that on my eyelids. And let's just throw in some of that little Supernova shade because I like that one too. I'm just gonna show it on top. This is like my everyday look, guys. And I'm gonna go back in with the blending brush and just blend those shades together. All right. Now we're gonna go into blush. So for blush, I'm gonna use the Carity Blush Bomb palette. You guys already know, this is my jam. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Slay, just to kind of give my cheeks a little bit of life, make my skin look alive, and just like healthy looking. So apply some blush, don't be scared. If it looks like you're applying too much, that's okay. You can go back in with this brush and just diminish that blush. Cute. I'm gonna go in with some setting spray and just set my face ready for highlight. And you want to fan your face. I'm gonna go in with the Glow Kit by Anastasia. This is in the shade Sun Dipped, and I'm just going to highlight my face. Give it some of a glow, you know? I'm just using the stippling brush because I forgot what my highlighting brush is. But that's okay, you gotta work with what you got. All right, guys, we're feeling good. We're feeling good. Next, I'm gonna apply some lip balm. Oh my God. Where's my lip balm? I'm gonna apply some lip balm because we need some. So next we're gonna do just mascara, and I'm using the IT Cosmetics mascara in Superhero. I really like this one, you guys already know. So before we go into lips, if you have extra time, go on and put on some lashes. So for lashes, I'm gonna put the Lily Lashes in Goddess. And I really like these because for every day, They're very subtle, but okay, here it is. Trying to look for my glue. I'm gonna use a duo. Let that kind of set, and we're gonna go in with lips. So for lips, I don't know if I want to do bold or if I want to go light. Should I do like a light color, or should I do a bold color? You know what, let's just do bold, because if I'm gonna do a very subtle look today and it's pretty fast, I'm just gonna do bold. I'm lining my lips, and this is the Kat Von D lip liner, and this is in the shade Outlaw. I'm gonna use the Dose of Colors I Love Sarai collaboration liquid lipstick in the shade Fresa. Okay, got my bold lip on. I'm gonna apply my lashes now. Wish me luck. Boom, put my lashes on. Cool, cool, cool. All right, guys, what's left? Oh, setting spray. That is it. This is the finished look. This is the fastest I've ever done my makeup. Like, usually my makeup takes 15 minutes, but I feel like today it honestly took, I'll see when I'm editing this video how long it took, but I feel like I did it really, really fast, and I feel like my makeup came out pretty darn good, guys. Like, I'm feeling cute, and I feel like this is going to be my favorite go-to look for the summer. So yeah, I'm very happy. If you guys liked how this look came out as much as I did, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what other videos I should film next, because I've been trying to do like a mixture of things, but I really just want to see what you guys want me to film. I had a lot of people asking me to do some skincare stuff, so I did. And now I think I want to do more makeup things, but I want to see what you guys think. So let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys are notified when I post new videos, because your girl gonna be posting a lot more. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.